Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's me, your boy Eric. So this is actually a side video from my previous video, which is this one. When you're planning to lower your car, there will be times that you definitely need more parts like a camber arm, a tow bolt, you know, all these stuff. Owning and modding a car is just a money pit. So this time, because on my previous video I lowered the car by 1.2 inches, you need, as you can see, this is in the middle of the other video, but this is SBC rear camber arms for 370Zs. Okay, well, let's do some unboxing. Alright, nice. Some paper. I believe these are new tow bolts. I don't know, don't quote me on that. Some stickers, that's good, that's good. Yeah, instructions, that's nice. Huh, you have more adjustability if you bore this hole right here. That's nice. This is hefty. That's good. Oh my god. See? So, if you twist this, you have more adjustability. Well, it took me forever to get these. Alright. Well, now all we gotta do is install it. So you know what's funny? On the previous video, I took this out. This one out. So apparently I have to take that one out to install the what the heck's happening? Anyways, so I have to remove that stinking bolt to get this one. And then the camber arm, this bad boy. We're gonna replace, what are we replacing? This one. What bolts are we removing today? Those ones. We're gonna keep them. We don't have a replacement for them. So, let's do it. So, a little bit of a hiccup on this project. This is my problem right now. The head of the bolt is behind this. And behind this, you can barely put anything there. Honestly. That's what she said. You gotta remove the sway bar. That requires removing literally a lot of things. So remember when I said I don't really want to remove the sway bar? Well, here's the deal. You can actually remove these two so you can drop the sway bar. I'm a dingus, so yeah, I'm gonna go back to the other side and do the same way. Give me a sec. Let me just remove this bolt. I wasn't ready for this. God damn it. So, remember when I was hammering that crap? Ugh, right? So good. Okay, I cleaned up a little bit. My girlfriend's pretty hungry, and I'm hungry, so I got DQ. We're gonna take 5. Okay, bye. Okay, that break was longer than I expected, so we got out the OEM camber arm, or what do they call it? Camber link. As you can see, it has a little divot in the middle. I don't know why. I'm not an engineer, so I'm not gonna bother explaining that. And this is the SBC camber arm. Pretty hefty, pretty nice quality. Now what we're just gonna do is match up the length of these two so that it's kind of it's close to OEM specs, and it says here that we should have same thread amounts on these two. What are they called again? Ensure that the SPC adjustable arm has equal threads showing on either sides of turnbuckles, these turnbuckles. And then, yeah, just install it how it is. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so I got these ones almost the same OEM specs. So I made sure that the threads on either side are equal. So, you know, they're pretty much equal. And I used this bolt just to hold them together, so to get that length, and then I just played around with it and whatnot. We're not going to tighten them yet, but I'm just going to put them really close so that they don't move as much. And then, yeah, we can put them back in there, and we can install the new toe bolt. Oh god, now to replace the old bung toe bolt with the new shiny toe bolt that came with the SPC rear camber arm. Alright, let's install it there. I'm not gonna record it, it's just fairly straightforward. Out with the old, in with the new, you know, and then torque to spec, and replicate that on the other side. I'm running out of daylight as usual. I'm really good at this, you know. Okay, guys. So we got our SPC rear camber arm installed. That was a doozy. I actually hated that, and the toe bolt that came with it. So, is it perfectly aligned? I don't think so. Alright, so now it's all about just making sure that it's really close to OEM so we could drive it out and get it into an alignment shop and hope for the best that I didn't do anything bad.
Many tic-tacs later.
That's how you install the SPC rear camber arms and the toe bolt that came with it. I opted out to not bore the holes in the toe bolt for more adjustability. I mean, it's not like I'm going to be needing more toe in or out for you know, autocrossing. Maybe eventually I'll probably do that. So I went into college for Lincoln to get my four-wheel alignment for my car, and it's, yeah, let me show you. So this is the before measurement. As you can see, I did a lot of things in the rear. It's pretty bad. So surprisingly, I got to Lethbridge, which is around 40 minutes from my place, in a highway running 110 kilometers an hour. Yeah, look at this. Pretty friggin' sketchy specs when I drove out before. So pretty bad. But now, thanks to shout out to Colin for doing this alignment job for me. Pretty big difference. Like, holy hell. This is close to the OEM spec, so it's nothing crazy, nothing special. I wasn't really going for more negative camber in the front nor in the rear. I just wanted them like straight up. With this -2 camber, well, I can't really change the camber settings on the front because we will need an upper control arm to you know, deal with that number. So I don't know, it's probably gonna pull to the right, but again, this +5 caster I don't know about suspension specs, so yeah, that's it. And if you like that install video, guys, you know what to do. Hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.